back to V13 Cubing, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Qiyi mastermorphix and also do a solve of it. So let's unbox it. We get the cube and the box with some plastic stuff in it. So getting on the cube, this is a mastermorphix. It is priced about $4 or 299 rupees, and it is available only in stickers. Like, who expects a mastermorphix and sticker? It is pillowed, and other measurements I don't know. What would be the other measurements? Like in 3x3 you can have the size, the plastic quality, the texture, but this is a non-WCA puzzle, so you don't need those specs. This is just for fun, so I'm not giving any of those stuff. So we have a nice Qiyi logo. A lot of people pronounce it Qiyi, but actually I think it's Qiyi, or I don't know. I'll pronounce it Qiyi. So if you know how to pronounce it, you can correct me in the comments down below, because this is all Chinese and I'm not Chinese and I can't pronounce Chinese names correctly. So now the pillowed shape is like nice. It's not heavily pillowed like I have seen in videos like mastermorphix, just like a balloon almost. But it does not seem that. I think that's just due to we are seeing it video, and this is the first time I'm seeing unboxing a mastermorphix, my first mastermorphix. So it turns smoothly. It's a bit tight, but you need it 2 pieces old, because the pieces of this cube are very different. Like, this is a corner, this is a corner, this is a edge, this is center. Yeah, which 3x3 cube? It's just a simple 3x3 shape mode. So I have one 3x3 here, my oldest one. I did not have a nice 3x3. So this is a edge, and this is 2 colors on a edge, single color on this edge. Like, where do you find a single colored edge? Center, single colored center, double colored center. This thing is just crazy. So we have a regular corner, just like 3 colors, but we also have a single colored corner. Like, this thing is just irritating me right now. So as I told you, I'll be doing a solve. The turning is nice. Now let's scramble it. Yeah, so it's bit to know which is the layer. Like, sometimes you can't figure it out which is the layer you need to work with, which is the middle layer. And yeah, now we have got it. Let's try to do a solve. So let's make the cross. I know some basics about this, so I would be using those. So first let's orient the centers. Where is that red here? So this one needs to be oriented like this. Yeah, so now this can go back, and that one, that needs to be flipped. So can we get a yellow in such a position that it just it? And yeah, we got it. Let's flip it. Actually, no, we might just get it out. So let's see whether, yeah, we have got it. Now let's insert the corners. Now I think the yellow is out. Let's try to insert the yellow. Does it? No, it just inserts as a flipped piece. So what can we do? I don't know what we'll do right now. So let's just do the other steps and let's see whether something happens or not. This thing will just go there, as this is just a 3x3 shape mod. So you just need to put pieces just like a 3x3. So that piece does not match it somehow. So we can't do that. Right, we can't do it. So the corner, this corner belongs here. No. This corner belongs here. No. Yeah, that corner belongs here. Oh, we just inserted that corner and that inserted automatically. That's pretty nice. Now I know what to do from here. Now insert a blue. Now let's complete the second layer. Yeah, middle layer. It's just, you might be saying, what am I doing, where am I starting? But I'm just doing it layer by layer. If any of you would having the mastermorphix, you might be knowing which is the first layer, which is the second layer, and all that stuff. So yeah, on to the top layer. Pretty messed up. Yeah, it's pretty messed up. So now let's align. Okay, we can solve it using a T-perm. Yeah, so let's try to do it. whether something happens while doing a T-pump or not. No, nothing really happened. So these are correct, just these two need to be swapped. So what we'll do is that, I don't know, I'm just like trying to mess up the pieces and then make it again. So now we'll do it like this and then like this. Then we'll keep it here. That piece, that green would just go like I was about to mess it. Yeah, so here we got the layer, just need to correct the corners. This corner goes here. This was nice, like a mastermorphix solve. I did not expect it to be that easy and that fast, but yeah, it was nice. And guys, if you want a tutorial, comment down below and I'll make it. And there's some parity cases that are there, and I'm making a tutorial on those mastermorphix parities in advance, I'm telling you. So now this is one of the parity. Now let's just solve it. If you want a tutorial on how to solve a mastermorphix, comment down below and I'll make it. Now we just oriented the center. So on a 3x3, a flip center does not do much because it's just one color, but here the colors change and the cube is not solved. So now let's orient these corners. Yeah, so it goes like this. One is done. Let's do the other one. And yeah, almost done. So this is the last step on solving a mastermorphix. And I'm not doing finger tricks because how will you do a finger trick on master? I got it solved. Yes, so I solved it in about, I don't know, about 3-4 minutes. I did not time the solve. So guys, that was it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, like my video, subscribe to my channel if you have not, and share this video and click on bell icon. Bye.